Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, power passenger seat, power sunroof, dual airbags, air conditioning, heated rear seats, alloy wheels. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.